A significant road accident took place in the Ganganagar Saika area, resulting in injuries to the Chief Engineer of Agriculture. Immediately following the incident, Minister Ratan Lal Nath arrived at the scene and ensured that the injured individuals were quickly taken to the hospital for treatment. The victims were initially transported to Kumarghat Hospital. A road accident in the Ganganagar Saika area of Tripura has left the state's chief engineer of the Agriculture Department, Ratan Lal Nath, injured. The accident, which occurred on Tuesday, involved the chief engineer's vehicle overturning. The driver of the vehicle was also seriously injured in the crash. Minister Ratan Lal Nath was present at the scene and helped ensure both victims were promptly taken to Kumarghat Hospital for initial treatment. Following a medical evaluation at Kumarghat Hospital, it was found that Ratan Lal Nath had a fracture in his hand. He was later referred to GBP Hospital in Agartala for more specialized care. The driver's condition was reported as critical, and after receiving initial treatment at both Kumarghat and Kailasahar hospitals, he was also transferred to GBP Hospital. Local leaders, including MLA Bhagwan Das, rushed to the Kumarghat Hospital to check on the injured and oversee the medical arrangements. Authorities have confirmed that both individuals are receiving the best possible care. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.